Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to fix this type of error while installing WAMP Server. So like on the screen when you click on next, it is giving this error. So I am going to show you on this video how to solve this type of error message and how to properly install WAMP Server. So first you need to go to browser, open a new tab and just simply type WAMP Server Avia Techno, hit enter. So that will give you this link. Go to that link. Again, this link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you have to scroll down till bottom and you will get these Microsoft VC++ packages links over here. So these are all for 32-bit and these are all for 64-bit. Now you go to your error message again and see which are all packages missing. So 2012 x86 is missing. So you go back to your browser and check it over here. So 2012 x86 is what was missing. 2012 x86. Just simply click on this link and it's going to download that package. Next, what is missing? 2010 SP1 of x64. So this is x64. Here it is 2010 SP1 x64. Click on this package and download it. It's going to start downloading. Next, what is missing is 2012 x64. So again go to your browser, 2012 x64, this one. It is rightly downloaded. So on your case you might get a longer list, like maybe 4 or 5 packages are missing on your system. It could happen. So whatever one are missing, you need to just download it from this list. So 32-bit and 64-bit, you need to just download it from that list and you need to install it. So I just showed you how to download it. Now next step is to install it. So select each of the installer and install it locally on your system. Here it is rightly installed. So first one is installed. Next, proceed with the next one. Click on yes, accept the license agreement and click on install. It has rightly installed. Similarly, you need to do the final one as well. Accept the license agreement, install, click on yes, and this one is also rightly installed. Click on close. So when all these packages are installed, you can just click on OK over here, and now when you click on next, you're no longer going to get that error, right? So that's how you solve these packages issues while installing WAMP Server, and now you can proceed with WAMP Server installation like usually you do. If you are still getting stuck anywhere, you can always refer to this video. Please do follow all my different videos on our channel. I'm sure you're going to love them, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also joining our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. Also, if you're interested on Python, you can also follow all these different projects over here, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And same goes for WordPress and different other topics as well. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.